We have a townhouse, 3-story townhouse unit for sale, located in Acropolis Residences in Barangay Talamban, Cebu City. Likod ni sa North General Hospital, guys. Karsada regahuwa nila. So, the lot area is 60 square meters. Floor area is 106 square meters. Ground floor, living area, kitchen, dining area, powder room, car park. Second floor, master bedroom. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, 2 toilet and bath. Sabi, duha ka bedroom sa second floor. 2 toilet and bath plus balcony. Unya sa third floor, guys, is an attic with free open space, open plan for owner's design balcony. So finishes unit with partition tile floors, underground wiring system, perimeter fence, regular inner unit. So this is what we call regular inner unit for a package price of 7,258,202.76. Reservation pay is 50,000 pesos. Equity or down payment spread over 30 months at 1,338 at 1,038,472.41 at 34,624.35 per month. So loanable ni siya, guys, through bank amortization 20 years 49,701, 15 years 57,192, 10 years 73,233. So mao na siya, guys. Then pwede po ni siya sa Pag-ibig financing, guys. So natay computation lang gihapon sa Pag-ibig. 38 years about 38,000 plus. 25 years is 40,000. Magkadako na siya. 20 years 45,000. 15 years 52,000. 10 years 68,000. 5 years is 118,000. More or less na siya, guys, ha. Estimated na siya. So mao gyud ni. So mao na ni, guys, no, ang open area, mao na ang third floor. Okay, thank you.